Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious lemon smoothie. To start, gather your essential ingredients. You'll need about 1/2 cup of fresh lemon juice, which is typically 2 to 3 medium lemons. Also, prepare 1/2 cup of plain or vanilla yogurt for that creamy texture. Don't forget 1 cup of ice cubes to ensure your smoothie is perfectly chilled and refreshing. Finally, have your preferred sweetener, like honey or maple syrup, ready to go. Now let's get blending. First, juice your fresh lemons to get that vibrant 1/2 cup of liquid. Next, combine all your ingredients into a high-speed blender. This includes the lemon juice, yogurt, ice, and your chosen sweetener. For example, 2 tablespoons of honey works wonderfully. Blend everything until the mixture is completely smooth and creamy, with no ice chunks remaining. This usually takes about 30 to 60 seconds. Want to make your lemon smoothie even better? You can easily customize it. Try adding a small pinch of fresh mint or a tiny piece of ginger for an extra flavor kick. If you prefer it sweeter, simply add another tablespoon or 2 of honey or maple syrup. For a thicker consistency, reduce the liquid by about 1/4 cup. You can also add a scoop of protein powder for a nutritious boost. Once your perfect lemon smoothie is ready, it's time to enjoy. Carefully pour the freshly blended mixture into a tall, chilled glass. For a beautiful presentation, you can garnish it with a thin slice of lemon on the rim or a fresh sprig of mint. Remember to serve it immediately to savor its refreshing, cool, and tangy taste. This recipe typically yields 1 generous serving or 2 smaller ones to share.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.